Welcome to Swathi Vlogs. Today's recipe is delicious baby corn fry. Come, let's start cooking. Firstly, add 150 milliliters of water in a pan to boil baby corn. Now add a pinch of turmeric powder. Once the water is hot enough, add the baby corn and boil it to 70% on high flame. Once the corn is 70% cooked, shift it to another bowl and add cold water to avoid overboiling. Now take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now add a pinch of ginger garlic paste, salt and chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Now coat the boiled baby corn with the flour. After coating the corn, add 1 tablespoon of water and mix it well. Now fry the baby corn in oil until they turn to golden brown. Once they are golden brown, take them off the oil. Now grab a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add chopped garlic cloves and fry them. Now add chopped onions and sauté. Now add finely chopped green chilies. Once the onions are cooked, add chopped capsicum and fry them. Now add half tablespoon of chaat masala and 1 tablespoon of sweet chili sauce. Instead, you can also use tomato sauce. Now add a pinch of ginger garlic paste and sauté. Add half tablespoon of chili powder, a pinch of salt, and 4 tablespoons of water and mix it well. Instead of water, you can also use corn slurry. Now add the baby corn and sauté well. Finally, add coriander leaves and sauté. Now the dish is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe for more delicious content. Thank you for watching.